I'm Tamila, Beautynthecity, founder of Beautynthecity 2MinuteGlam. So I'm here today with Natalia. We're gonna go over some fun hacks, right? And some of the hacks we're looking at are some trending hacks that we can do with beauty and looking at some of the products. So you know Beautynthecity, we just launched our Beautynthecity lip liners. So we're gonna do some fun things with that today. And then we're also gonna do some fun things looking at highlighting your inner eye and your eyes with our metallic eyeliners. As you know, we have our Mercury Eyeliner, which is just gorgeous. It has little glitter sparkles in it and it's gray. So it's me all day, I love that.
I'm gonna use the diamond today.
And she's got the diamond, which it's almost like tinsel and a pencil, right? Oh my gosh, that rhymes. Cute, but not. But the fun thing about it is that we will be able to show you a couple of looks. Let's get to it.
Let's get to the eyeliner. So as I said, I'm gonna be using the diamond color, so here it is. And we're gonna be highlighting the inner part of our eye, and for those that are adventurous, you could do even the waterline too, which I love.
Okay, let's do it then.
Yep.
All right then, perfect.
So yeah, I just applied it. And then
Oh, look at that sparkle. And then so you're gonna smudge it in, very nice.
I am, to make it a little bit more subtle.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna apply the Mercury to the inner corner of my eye. And so I'm just kind of lightly washing, making almost like a little, I feel like it's a little baby top nap. Like, you know, you do the top and then you come in and out, right?
Yeah.
And then you get a nice little pop there. And then I'm gonna try the other eye like you and use my finger to smudge it. I wanna see if there's gonna be a difference.
Just because I like this, I love to use this particular pencil, this particular eyeliner in my waterline. It gives me such a highlight for any kind of like, I don't know, bright eye look. So today I'm using this sparkling top and I think it matches just perfectly with the top.
It's trending now and you can use BNTC, Mercury, and Diamond to make this look happen. And then I've also got the Ninja on because I'm a big dark eyes. And so there we go. Thank you for tuning in.